I'm gonna teach you how to automatically open your garage doors when you get home. Stay tuned. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Dial Home Tech. And as I mentioned in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to automatically open your garage doors with MyQ and SimpleCommands when you get to your house. I have previously shown on this channel how to automatically close your garage doors when you get home, and I'm gonna leave a link to that in the description so that you can check that out. But today I'm gonna show you guys how to automatically open that when you're getting to your house. A lot of people have asked me in the past. I actually didn't know you could do that until someone commented on my closing garage door video, and they left a note that you can achieve that not using IFTTT but using SimpleCommands. It's another application that lets you set triggers to connect certain devices and services to do certain tasks around the house. This solution is based on the fact that you have a MyQ enabled remote controlled garage door. Without any further ado, let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is download an app on your phone called SimpleCommands. That app is going to be the trigger that you're going to use to control your garage door, and it's also going to use your mobile device as a geolocation device to figure out when you're about to get home. Once the app has been downloaded and installed, you're going to go to the bottom of the app and then you're going to tap on connections. That's where it's going to enable you to log in with your MyQ information, and there it'll actually pull all the information that you have on your account. So if you have one door, two doors, it'll pull that up and it'll use that as a trigger to open or close your garage door. Once you have linked your MyQ service with SimpleCommands, then it's just about creating the trigger. Once you've done that, you're gonna tap on routines at the bottom of the app, and then it'll let you create the routine that you want, whether it's to close your garage doors or, in this case, open it when you're getting home. You're going to create your routine by giving it a name. So I'd suggest creating a routine based on what you're actually doing, so whatever the trigger is, opening or closing. And then we'll create the trigger by selecting what you wanted to happen. In this case, we'll select open the garage door. And after that, we're gonna add the condition, which in this case, it's when we get home, we want that garage door to open. As you can see it on the screen, I already have added home as an actual location, and then you can enter your address on the settings portion of the application for your house so that a trigger and a geolocation fence is set up around your home. From here, you can select Arrive Home, which will let the service know that when you enter that location, the door is supposed to open. And then you can select a secondary condition, which will let you control the door based on certain days of the week or certain times of the day. Once you have made that choice, you can then finalize it by simply choosing if you want a notification sent to you once this automation is run. You can do so by SMS, email, visual display, or a sound cue. Once you have entered all of those conditions, you can just tap done and voila, your condition is created. There's no need for you to be searching for the remote or even tapping the button on your car if you have that already pre-programmed. The door will automatically open by the time you get within your area. And this tip is as simple as that. I'm gonna leave a link right here with the previous video that shows you how to close your garage door when you're leaving the house. Also, if you found the tip useful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, comment, give me your feedback. I'm interested in that, which is the reason why I'm posting this video in the first place. It's just due to the massive amount of feedback I got and comments on my previous video on people asking, okay, I'm able to close it, how about opening? And if you want to learn more about tips like this, or if you want to learn how to do a home automation on a budget, do it yourself kind of setup, and watch some more tech reviews, please consider subscribing to the channel. There are a few more cool videos about home automation right here on the side that you can check it out, and I thank you so much for coming over and watching the tip. Well, this about wraps it up for today, and until next time, I'm Dial. See ya.